Hey, my name is Lauren Harbison, and these are the examples that I made for my integrated arts project. My first one is the creative movement example. I made an alphabet ball, and the alphabet ball, mine has all uppercase and lowercase letters on it, but it can also be differentiated. You can just do lowercase or just do uppercase, or even put sight words on it for kindergarten. Here is my alphabet ball. The students throw it up in the air, catch it, and then whatever letter their thumbs land on is the letter that they will identify. So B. And you can get them to make the sound, or you could even go a step further and have them have their own individual whiteboards, and they can practice writing that letter as well. For my puppets, I made clothespin puppets, and they're alphabet clothespin puppets. So for each letter of the alphabet, the puppet is an object that starts with that letter. And whenever you open the clothespin, they reveal the letter that that object starts with. So they can see that it's an apple and know that it's A. They open it, see that it is A, and say, ah. So they make the sound. So we have balloon, B, ba, or can, C, ka, or donut, D, duh. It just allows them to practice recognizing letters and making the sounds that correspond to those letters. For my sensory activity, I created a sensory bin. It's a colorful sensory bin, so it has a whole bunch of different colorful pom-poms in it, and then it has cups that are labeled with each color pom-pom. So what they do is they sort the pom-poms into the cups that have the corresponding color. So here is my colorful sensory bin. You can open it and you see all the different colors labeled and all the pom-poms down in there. So they can, let's see if I can do this. Pick the pom-pom and put it in the thing that it goes to. Like this. I had a lot of fun making these projects, and I look forward to you seeing them. Thank you.